video, and today I'm going to show you how you can view Facebook password that is saved in your Chrome browser. At times what happens, like when we save our password in Chrome and we repeatedly use those saved password and we forget those password. What are those password? So I have came up with a solution. Without knowing the administrative account password, you can retrieve your Facebook password if you forget. Okay, so it's a very simple procedure. Suppose like if you have saved your password in Google Chrome, you need to go to settings, then you have to go to autofill. Okay, then there you go, password, and a lot of password. In order to view any password, you need to enter the system password. Okay, so as you can see here, a security prompt, you have to enter your password in order to view those passwords. So I have came up with the solution where you can see your password. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the password here and I don't know what is the password. So what I have to do, right click here. Okay, go to inspect. Okay, and as you can see here, input type. Okay, there is password text, so you have to double click, and when this gets highlighted, that means you can edit that text. So you have to make it as text text and hit enter. There you go. So let's close this one, and as you can see here, whatever my password is, it is popping up here. Okay, so this is one of the easiest method you can view your password which is saved in Google Chrome browser. And thank you so much. Hope you like the video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.